How to change email address on Paxful. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to change your email address on Paxful. So in order to change your email address on Paxful, first of all, we're going to log in into your account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page, go and tap the profile icon and go to the edit profile section, and you'll be able to see the information or the email address. So the criteria is that in order to do or make changes with your account information, you must have already verified all of the information, such as your phone number, your contact details, and your email address, all of that. Only then you'll be able to make changes with your information on Paxful. So likewise, if you've not verified it, then you need to first of all verify that, and only then you'll be able to change your email on Paxful. So by following the steps, you should be able to make changes with your account information. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.